How to copy objects in Nakisa Lease Accounting Suite. Hi, I'm Tracy. As a lease administrator looking to quickly create master agreements, contracts, and lease components, I can use the copy capability as a starting point, saving me time and ensuring consistency. After logging into Nakisa Lease Accounting, I select the master agreements I want to copy. To copy in bulk, I use the copy option under Mass Actions on the relevant landing page. This opens a dialog where I can modify object attributes. Blank fields indicate the selected objects have a variety of different values. Leaving fields blank copies each object exactly as is. In this case, I want each master agreement to be copied with the same inputs. So I set the year as 2025 and select my desired lease area and lease business unit. Once satisfied, I click Copy, and a message confirms the copy was successful. Copied objects are named like the original, with dash copy added. I can use the search functionality or landing page filters to find them. Here is one such master agreement, copied in defined status. I can rename it and update other data fields before progressing through the workflow. The master agreement is now active with no contracts. I repeat this process to copy contracts to my new master agreement. I select them on the landing page and choose Copy. First, I decide the copy type. With the toggle on, contracts stay under their current master agreements. This time, I want to move them from their respective master agreement parents to the single master agreement I created earlier. I turn off the toggle and search for my new master agreement. The system pre-fills some fields from the parent. I complete the rest, like company code, and click Copy. The system again confirms the action was successful. Returning to the master agreement I created earlier, I now see the newly created copied contracts. Inside each contract, I can edit fields, including names. The system validates data during the copy process by clearing invalid values. In this case, the cost center inputs configured under the old company code are not configured to the company code I selected in this contract, so I can click Add to select them. Rather than navigating back to the landing page to make another copy of this contract, I can use the Copy function within the context menu of the object itself. The Copy dialog autofills fields where possible from the source contract, while validations prevent the principal position from being changed. I change the company code and contract name, then click Copy. The system confirms the copy was successful. The new contract now appears under the master agreement. Once my contracts are approved, I can copy lease components where I follow the same process. I can also choose to include or exclude terms and conditions from the copy. With my lease component copied successfully, that brings us to the end of this walkthrough. We've seen how copying, whether in bulk, individually, or using copy and move, helps speed up object creation, keeps your data consistent, and gives you flexibility to update what matters. Thanks for watching.